Number 1. 1988 Ford Ranger Manual, $2,000, Northridge, California. This 1988 Ford Ranger offers an affordable entry into classic compact pickups. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, making it simple, economical, and easy to maintain. The seller states the truck runs and has current tags, though its 250,000-mile rolled-over odometer and fair condition indicate it may need basic maintenance. Finished in white with rear-wheel drive and a clean title, this Ranger serves as a budget-friendly project for anyone seeking a lightweight and reliable classic truck platform. Number 2. 1987 Ford F150, $2,500, San Rafael, California. This 1987 Ford F150 features the legendary 4.9-liter inline-six, a power plant known for durability and torque. It is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, showing 140,685 rolled-over miles. The truck has consistently passed smog tests and includes a factory bedliner, Sony stereo, and clean title. At this price, it stands out as a dependable classic full-size pickup suitable for daily use or restoration. Number 3. 1986 Ford Ranger XLT, $3,500, Waterford, California. This 1986 Ford Ranger XLT is equipped with a strong-running 2.9-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Several key maintenance items have been completed, including new shocks, a new starter, and good tires. However, issues with the charging system, weak brakes, and extended storage mean it will require mechanical attention before becoming reliable. With 258,000 miles and a clean title, this red XLT is ideal for project-minded buyers experienced with older Ford electrical and brake systems. Number 4. 1986 Toyota pickup SR5 4x4 Extra Cab, $18,000, Oceanside, California. This 1986 Toyota SR5 4x4 Extra Cab is a collector-grade example of one of the most respected trucks ever produced. Powered by the iconic 22RE engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it has been meticulously maintained by an automotive shop owner since 2014. Recent updates include a new clutch kit and a transmission reseal. Known for reliability, practicality, and off-road capability, this well-kept red Toyota stands as a rare and highly desirable classic. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale 23-quarter-ton 4x4, $19,000, Silver Springs, Nevada. This 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale 20 is a refreshed 3-quarter-ton 4x4 long bed designed for work or show. Major updates include a new Summit Crate 350 engine, rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission, upgraded suspension components, long tube headers, new brakes, and improved steering. Fresh paint, an updated interior, and aluminum wheels enhance its appeal. With extensive mechanical and cosmetic restoration and a clean title, this blue Scottsdale is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a heavy-duty, period-correct classic. Number 6. 1953 GMC 5-window pickup, $21,000, Albany, Oregon. This 1953 GMC 5-window pickup is a garage-built restoration powered by a rebuilt 250 inline-six and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. Upgrades include a Holley Sniper fuel system, electric fan cooling, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and a beautifully finished oak bed. Powder-coated running boards and a tilt steering wheel add premium touches. With a clean title and thoughtful modernization, this blue GMC blends vintage charm with modern drivability. Number 7. 1976 Ford F250 4x4, $19,500, Bend, Oregon. This 1976 Ford F250 is a clean, straight highboy-era truck with a well-preserved body and only 58,000 miles. It is equipped with a strong 390 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, power brakes, and power steering. Finished in brown and presented in excellent condition with a clean title, it remains a desirable heavy-duty classic with impressive performance. Number 8. 1969 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup, $25,000, Beaver Creek, Oregon. A true one-owner classic, this 1969 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup shows 104,700 miles and runs a well-maintained 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Updates include a new radiator, alternator, and 4-barrel carburetor. Featuring dual exhaust, a canopy, and full documentation, it retains late 60s Chevrolet character while offering dependable performance. This is an excellent option for collectors seeking originality. Number 9. 1969 GMC C20 truck with wooden bed, $9,800, Escondido, California. This 1969 GMC C20 is a running and driving example, powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8 and a manual transmission with granny gear. Finished in green with a wooden bed, it has a broken odometer with the seller estimating around 40,000 miles. It is registered and insured, but still needs additional restoration. For buyers seeking a budget classic with room for improvement, this C20 provides a solid starting point. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne Super Pickup, $25,000, Cheyenne, Wyoming. This 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne Super is a high-trim 4x4 featuring a replacement 400 cubic inch V8 with only 18,000 miles. It includes a 3-speed automatic transmission, fleet-side bed, sliding rear window, chrome bumpers, and refreshed two-tone green and white paint. Well cared for and clean titled, it is a desirable early 70s Chevrolet with classic looks and reliable mechanical updates. Number 11. 1998 Ford Ranger XLT Regular Cab Shortbed, $750, Godley, Texas. This 1998 Ford Ranger XLT is a low-priced project truck with 139,000 miles and a 4-cylinder engine. It runs but requires a fuel pump for proper operation. Equipped with an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a short bed layout, it provides a simple and lightweight platform. With a clean title, it is an inexpensive project for someone comfortable with mechanical work. Number 12. 1972 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $25,000, Fremont/Union City, Newark, California. A one-owner California truck since new, this 1972 Chevrolet C10 stepside is powered by a strong 350 V8 and a manual transmission with only 63,000 miles. Originally blue and later repainted, it also includes the original full bench seat. A clean title and complete dealer documents add value. In turnkey condition with long California history, this stepside is an outstanding example of an early 70s Chevrolet pickup. Number 13. 1960 Ford F150 Shortbed with brand new 302 engine, $23,000, California. This 1960 Ford F150 Shortbed combines vintage style with modern performance thanks to a fresh 302 V8 crate engine with only 50 break-in miles. Additional upgrades include new headers, Flowmaster exhaust, rebuilt C4 automatic transmission, new fuel lines, and an updated interior. With a straight body, clean title, and strong running condition, it offers early 60s Ford character with improved reliability. Number 14. 1968 Chevrolet 3/4-ton 4x4, $7,500, Ste.Anne, Manitoba. This 1968 Chevrolet 3/4-ton 4x4 is a fair condition project featuring a 350 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, and dual exhaust. While the truck runs, drives, and has functional four-wheel drive, it needs structural rust repair, cab supports, corners, rockers, brake work, and wiring fixes. For enthusiasts seeking a budget four-wheel drive classic, this red Chevrolet presents a worthwhile project. Number 15. 1964 Ford F150, $6,200, Poway, California. This 1964 Ford F150 long bed features a manual floor-shift transmission and a V8 engine. Originally white with added red stripes, it runs and drives but requires mechanical and cosmetic improvements, including roof rust repair. The interior remains in unusually good condition for its age, and the odometer shows 21,000 miles, though unverified. With a clean title and appealing pricing, it is a solid foundation for a mid-60s Ford pickup restoration.